My dear kids, how are you? Hope you are safe and sound. I am fine too. Today I am gonna show you how to draw a boat with super easy steps, okay? If you see the full video, I am sure that you can draw a nice boat too. Kids, it's story time. So let's get started to listen to a story about boat. Okay? One day a literate man went to river to cross it through a boat. The literal man the literate man was very arrogant about his knowledge and often humiliated the illiterate people, which made them very sad. The boatman was illiterate, so the wise man started to question him about many things from textbook, but the boatman could not answer them because he did not read any types of book. So the literate man said to the boatman that his life was 75% failure because he could not answer the questions. The boatman said nothing but smiled. He was very sweet. Suddenly, heavy storm and rain started. The boat began to swing. The literate man was trembling in fear. The boatman requested the man to set the sail, but he did not know how to set the sail. Then the boatman said, "Please paddle the boat with me." The wise man replied that he doesn't know how to paddle. Then the boatman said that, "Look, we have no other option but to jump and swim towards the shore." The literal man replied that he doesn't know even how to swim. The boatman was astonished to know that what will happen now. The boatman was very generous. The literate man was very lucky, babies. So the boatman jumped from the boat with the wise man and helped him to reach the shore. Both were very relieved after reaching to the shore. Finally, the boatman said to the wise man that previously you commented my life is 75% failure. But now you see your life is 100% failure. Because you don't know anything important to save your life yourself. So kids, try to learn some basic task that may help you and others beside your textbook. Be kind to everyone and don't underestimate anymore, please. Because if you underestimate a man or a people, they will very upset. Look, respect all human beings because everyone is special and unique, just like you, babies. You are very special, you are very unique. Every human being is unique. We are not like each other. So, please don't underestimate anyone because they will get hurt. And you are the best kids I have ever seen. So, behave yourself, learn good manners, and be happy. Okay, listen, let me know how you enjoyed the video in the comment section because if you don't comment me, I can't understand whether you were enjoying or not. And if you have any request that you want to draw, okay, let me know. I will try my best and create a story with the drawing. Okay, so please don't hesitate to comment me. If you can't write, tell your mom or dad to help you. Okay, thank you, babies, and stay safe and blessed. As you know that the corona pandemic is going on, so please be safe, stay home, and listen to your parents. as your parents tell you, do that. Okay, because it's a very tough time actually we are going on. So be happy, be safe, stay blessed, be happy babies, love you, bye for today.